Assalam O Alikum. 50 Most Repeated Database MCQs Part 2. Welcome to MCQs Hub. The method of access which uses key transformation is known as direct, hash, random or sequential, and the correct option is hash. Transaction processing is associated with everything below except producing detailed summary or exception reports, recording a business activity, confirming an action or response, maintaining data, and the correct option is confirming an action or response. In case of entity integrity, the primary key may be not null, null, both null and not null, any value, and the correct option is not null. Relational algebra is data definition language, meta language, procedural query language, none of the above. Relational algebra is procedural query language. In a relation, ordering of row is immaterial. No two rows are identical. A and B both are true, or none of these. And the correct option is A and B both are true. Which of the following is a valid SQL type? Character, numeric, float, or all of above? And the correct option is all of the above. The way a particular application views the data from the database that the application uses is a module, relational model, schema, or subschema. And the correct option is subschema. Which of the following is correct? A SQL query automatically eliminates duplicates. SQL permits attribute name to be repeated in the same relation. A SQL query will not work if there are no indexes on the relations, or none of these. And the correct option is none of these. The RDBMS terminology for a row is tuple, relation, attribute, or degree, and the correct option is tuple. The property or properties of a database is it is an integrated collection of logical related records. It is consolidates separate file into a common pool of data records. Data stored in a database is independent of the application programs using it, or all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. Which of the following operations need to participating relations to be union compatible? Union, intersection, difference, or all of the above? The correct option is all of the above. Which of the following is an advantage of view? Data security, derived columns, hiding a complex queries, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. Which of the following is a legal expression in SQL? Select null from employees, Select name from employees. Select name from employee where salary is equals to null, or none of the above. The correct option is select name from employee. A subschema expresses the logical view, the physical view, the external view, or all of the above. The subschema expresses the external view. A subschema expresses the external view. It is better to use file than a DBMS when there are stringent real-time requirements, multiple user wishes to access the data, complex relationships among data, or all of the above. Multiple users wish to access the data. Which database level is closest to the users? External, internal, physical, or conceptual? And the correct option is external. External level is closest to the users. The result of union operator both between R1 and R2 is a relation that indicates all the tuples of R1, all the tuples of R2, all the tuples of R1 and R2, all the tuples of R1 and R2 which have common columns. And the correct option is all the tuples of R1 and R2 which have common columns. Which of the operations constitute a basic set of operations for manipulating relational data? Predicate calculus, relational calculus, relational algebra, or none of the above? And the correct option is relational algebra. Which of the following is another name of weak entity? Child, owner, dominant, or all of the above? And the correct option is child. The statement in SQL which allows to change the definition of a table is alter, update, create, or select. And the correct option is alter. Null is the same as 0 for integer, the same as blank for character, the same as 0 for integer and blank for character, not a value. And the correct option is null is not a value. DBMS helps achieve data independence, centralized control of data, either A nor B, both A and B, and the correct option is both A and B, data independence and centralized data of collection. The file organization that provides very fast access to any arbitrary record of a file is ordered file, unordered file, hashed file, or B-tree. And the correct option is hashed file. Which are the two ways in which entities can participate in a relationship? Passive and active, total and partial, simple and complex, or all of the above? And the correct option is total and partial. The conceptual model is dependent on hardware, dependent on software, dependent on both hardware and software, independent of both hardware and software. And the correct option is independent of both hardware and software. Conceptual model is independent. Which of the following are the properties of entities? Groups, table, attributes, switchboards. And the correct option is attributes. A data dictionary is a special file that contains the name of all fields in all files, the width of all fields in all files, the data type of all fields in all files, or all of the above. The correct option is all of the above. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.